Welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So as can you see, my fingerprint recognition is set up here on our device, and now I'll make just a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As can you see, the fingerprint scanner works really fast here, so you can unlock the device with the fingerprint just in less than in 1 second. But be sure just that you just hold for a while the scanner here, because when you'll just make the simple touches here and you'll move your device fast here from the fingerprint scanner, as can you see, I can just unlock the device. So just for a while, just press the fingerprint scanner. So I suggest you to try this unlock method, but be sure also that you will get the clean finger, so just to unlock the device successfully. And don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the PIN codes, passcodes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.